Am I the only one that didn't know how simple net income and prepaid expenses can be? Let's dive in. Net income is the final profit a business earns after subtracting all expenses from its revenue. Think of it like this. If a business earns $20,000 in revenue and has $15,000 in expenses, the net income will be $5,000. Simple, right? Now, let's talk about prepaid expenses. These are payments made in advance for future goods or services. Imagine a company pays $1,200 for a one-year insurance policy. This is recorded as a prepaid expense. Each month, $100 is expensed over the year. So instead of a big expense all at once, it's spread out evenly, and there you have it. Net income tells you how much a business really earns, and prepaid expenses help manage costs over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more business tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.